Today, we're going to explore 5 amazing free AI tools that outperform many paid alternatives. Whether you're looking to cut costs, boost productivity, or unlock your creative potential, these tools are total game changers. Let's begin. First up, let's talk about PDF24 Tools, a free platform that will make you rethink paid PDF editors. This is a fantastic solution for students working on assignments, professionals dealing with documents, or content creators preparing materials. With over 30 tools available, you can merge, split, compress, and edit PDFs, add watermarks, and even convert images and Word files to PDFs. Additionally, an offline version is available for download, making it ideal for storing sensitive files. Why pay for a PDF editor when you've got all of this for free? Next, let's get creative with TinyWow. This hidden gem offers over 200 free tools powered by AI, and it doesn't require any sign-up. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface and clear instructions. From generating essays to creating YouTube scripts, TinyWow has you covered. One standout feature is the AI image generator. Just type in a description and you'll get stunning visuals in seconds. What's even better is that you can use these images for both personal and commercial purposes at no cost. It's the perfect platform for anyone who needs to streamline their workflow without spending a dime. Now let's check out Otter.ai, a transcription tool that's better than many paid services. Whether you need to transcribe meetings, interviews, or lectures, Otter.ai makes it super easy. Upload your audio or video files, or even record directly in the platform. It transcribes content in real time, and the free plan gives you 300 minutes of transcription each month, which is more than enough for most users. You can even edit, highlight, and share your transcriptions directly from the platform. If you've been paying for transcription services, Otter.ai will make you rethink that subscription. Next on the list is Prompt Cowboy, an excellent tool if you've ever struggled with writing prompts for platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. This free tool helps you craft detailed, optimized prompts for all kinds of AI tasks. For example, if you need a prompt for a creative video thumbnail, simply type in your basic idea, select the prompt type such as video or standard, and Prompt Cowboy generates a polished prompt for you. It's completely free, and while you'll need to sign up after 4 prompts, that's a small price for such an effective tool. Lastly, we're going to talk about Google AI Studio. This platform is packed with advanced AI models that let you experiment with all kinds of media. Whether you want to create images, generate text-to-speech audio, or even compose music, Google AI Studio has tools that can help. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is fantastic for professional-grade visuals, and Imagen takes creativity to a whole new level with detailed, imaginative images. And that's just the start. You can also explore Lyria Realtime for interactive music creation, and Veo for generating video clips and animating images. With a free daily limit, Google AI Studio offers features that many paid tools can't match. So there you have it. 5 powerful, free AI tools that'll save you time, money, and effort. From transcriptions and document editing to image creation and prompt crafting, these platforms prove that you don't need to pay big bucks to get great results. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and software recommendations. Don't forget to check out our next video on how to create pro-level presentations using WPS Office slides for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.